Yeah, man. Be Sweet TV Worldwide Glow. Yeah, man. Be Sweet TV Worldwide Glow. Yeah, man.
Alright, let's see. Hopefully you guys are seeing me correctly and all of that. I had a package delivered today from Amazon. Hold on. I just cream my hand. And basically it's a wig I purchased off Amazon. So this is a review and a try on. Oops, sorry. Let's see. This video might be a voiceover. Let me use the wrong cream. Use the wrong hand cream. Okay, Roxy or Rixie. 100% human here. So this is how it comes. Yeah. Let's put this on the way for a second. Right, so yeah, let's unbox and see what else comes in here first. Okay, this is how it comes. Right, let me show you here. Okay, these are the stuff that comes in it also. I probably should have done a head video first. We get flash, wig tape, which is good, headband, and a stocking cap too. Right, I won't need one because I've already got one on, so this video is not going to be a long video. But yeah, I should have gotten my mic also. But here, this is a layered cut face framing 6x6 straight HD lace front glueless wig, human hair. 26 inch or 26 inch my order. This is 28, but may go back and check on Amazon. I'll insert a picture either here or this side to show what it's supposed to look like. So that. But I'm going to take off my wig to try on also. So yeah, this is how it comes well packaged. I like that. I like the packaging. It says 26 inch. It's not shedding, so that's good. Okay, just one. Okay, I like this, and it's 100 and it's 200 density. I like this. I like this. It's layered. Ooh, I like that. So now let me try it on. So this is the inside. 6x6, I say, and it comes with the clip and a pin adjustable band. You know. So I'm going to take my wig on now and come back. So hold on. Let me take my wig off. Wait. This is a to-go wig, and I'm hoping everything is being recorded how it should, because if not, this is why now looking in that mirror, it's gonna be good. Well, this feels nice on my head. Wait a second. Wait, hold up, wait a minute. I'm loving this. Should use a white teeth brush, but the brush is outside. I didn't remember it. Oh, like, hang on. This is a okay, and you can put baby hairs here if you want, either here, well, no, up here. Yeah, I'm not wearing it now, so I'm someone who likes to cut off piece of my forehead, and that's the length. I think about a 28, but it said this is a 26. So yeah, and it's not jet black, it has a little brown to it. So yeah, I'm liking this. Oh my god, I'm loving this. All right, so, and look, you know, it's very thick. So yeah, I'm gonna link this on my Amazon storefront, so you can go and click and buy it next day delivery. Oh my god. Oh, well, you know about what you know about, but that's it. And to think it doesn't even, where's that testing, you know, and then push the pencil and then, okay, so yeah, I need to find that spray. You don't even need to curl it. You don't need to do wear and go. You can put your makeup on. So And this is just the makeup inside my makeup brush. I'm just dabbing some on it. And look at that. No way. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Found the brush. Amazon wigs are going good. And these haven't been cut or plucked, straight from the box. Straight from the box. Like, look at that. Yay. This is good. I'm loving this. So yeah. Alright, thank you. And that's it. Oh, the wig I was wearing before, this one is from Amazon also, but I'll do another video for this one. But yeah. .200 density. I realized the 180 densities, they're not that good. And it's no shedding. Well, I'm lying. There is shedding, but not as much. Or it's a few. But, you know, this will do. I'm happy with this. I'll definitely keep it. I'll definitely keep it. But yeah, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Look at that. Like, wow. And everybody like their hair fully, all of it around here, but it's layered, so I like that. You can straighten it out if you want, but if you just want to have a wig on the go, this is it. And again, I will do that. Yep. The lace is lacing. If I was to melt it right now, yep, that would be something else. Oh my god, I'm really excited for this, you know. So I need to get it so it comes out, you know, out here. I like it like this, so it comes down a little, but not too much where it comes on the lash, because then it makes your lash look droopy. Yeah. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. But this is it. Thank you.